Don't wait for Trump of Delarey. Will you come and rescue us? We are waiting for the dead. Pastor Mukuba, she stated right for me this morning. I'm not Makuba, I'm Mukuba. Thank you. A black woman in South Africa that is a Deborah that stand up that the church can be open. If she did not stand up this year, the church was already closed. She led us to Parliament. She led us to Pretoria. The other is still waiting on Trump. He will rescue us. I like Trump 50 or 60%. But listen, don't wait for Trump of Delarey. Will you come and rescue us? We are waiting for the dead. Is there no man in 60 million people in South Africa that can stand up for Jesus? Thank you, Pastor Makuba. You are a woman. You show the men. You show the men that you stand up. Our Christians in Parliament, why you are silent? I met a lot of you, DA and ANC, you call yourself Christians. You lie because you are an ungodly party. How you can be with Lucifer laws, but you call yourself a Christian? Liar! You are not a Christian, you are a liar. But if you call yourself a Christian, I challenge you this week, stand up in Parliament and said, let me vote. Bring me 50 DA t-shirts and I will stand in the middle of South Africa on live. I will say, vote for them. Bring it for me. Steenhuisen, bring it me 50 DA t-shirts and we stand up for abortion. I asked them one day, 15 years back, Stella. Yeah, I go to the DA. Said, me and Francois van Wyk, give me 50 t-shirts. And we stand up because they want my vote that day. They want in local government. They want my vote. I said, bring me 50 t-shirts. And we stand up for abortion. I give my vote for you. Jy is mal. Then the ANC come. Please, Royas. And that same one, I sent him to jail 5 years for corruption. A white ANC. I can speak because I speak before I go to jail. I open it on the radio, the corruption. And then we do the investigation. Then he greet me in Bloemfontein. Last year you greet me. You are very friendly. Thank you. I think you are not more corrupt. When you speak the truth, you can speak. If you are a theory man, you cannot speak. Then you must think things out. 5G and all the leaves fell off. I think we got 5G every April and March because then the leaves fell off. Theory. Our Christians in Parliament is silent. The church is silent. And Pastor, it happened in your town that they killed the baby today and tomorrow. And luister, may you go and sleep with this word. Every pastor. If you decide not to stand up against abortion in your church and tell the people straight, may you every night when you go to sleep, you will hear a baby cry. You will hear a baby cry. I know it. You will call me. I want to sleep. It will cry in your ear. Don't hold back. The Lord promised there will be people uncountable. The devil want to stop it. We shall call out. Multiplies one baby in a womb is 0.120 milliliters blood. Some in early 80. But normally, I take the normally stand, is 120 milliliter. Some work on 85 milliliter. A baby. A newborn baby, every kilogram is 0.085. So a 3 kilogram baby is then 0.85 multiplied with 3. Now, take 73 million babies that was killed last year and multiply it of 0.120. And you got a petrol tanker that throw in petrol holds 30,000 to 35,000 liters of diesel or petrol. All that blood of that babies, all that blood is 258 oil tankers full of baby blood. 258 tankers. That bring the millies. That big trucks. 258 of them full of baby blood. I remember myself in Genesis when Cain killed Abel. Is it right? Cain slaat for Abel. I'm speaking English now. Maybe I turn around who is the guilty one? Okay. God said the blood cry out. From one man that was killed, Abel, his blood cry out. 73 million babies' blood cry out only on last year. Do you think God will not hear? Now I can tell you, not tomorrow, not 3 months, not a year. I don't know. Very soon, the whole earth will be shaken. There will be some students that stand and said, I hear it that day. I stay behind. I hear it that day. I stay behind. Yesterday they mocked me. If I play you the videos of the people that go away this week and how they drink and call different peoples for money. And the people think they help them. They listen to me now. They told me this morning they listen. For one, they told, Roy sent us into Uppington. And the people sent money. And they drink the alcohol, the money. God will shake them. One tried to challenge me last night. I said yes. And I sent him his address. He did not know I know the address. I said, can I take this challenge now? Listen, my friend. Don't mock with God. If you mock with God, I will pick up my hands. I will pray for you, but I will pray while I'm busy. If you mock with me, it's fine. I will pray for you. But if you mock with God, and there is scripture in Bible that stated, when they mock with the place of God, Jesus walked in and he hit them out. I will go by scripture. Oil tanker, and you keep silent? Shame on you, pastor. These pastors, when I send these things to them, I can hear it in my spirit. Dis weer die mal man. He irritate me. God will irritate you in front of his throne. Mothers, fathers, don't kill your babies. There's a mother, there's a father, there's grandpas that say kill the baby. Grandmas, kill them. They was here. People, they told me this. Maybe some of you. I got a message this morning. If you come before God and you said, I am sorry, and you confess your sin, He forgives you.
You can have my heart.